Hey, welcome back to my den. Today we're going to take on an unusual challenge for me. Somebody invited the gargoyle to take part in Christmas in July. Who would do such a thing? Well, I'll tell you, it was Santa Slowdog. So if this doesn't turn out, you guys get to all blame him for it. Alright. I asked him what I was supposed to be doing for this, and all he would tell me was that we were using vans. And that Christmas in July was whatever I thought it was. That's not telling me a whole lot. So I kind of made up something and we're going to go with it and see how it comes out. Let's go ahead and get started. As always, our shoulder drilling. I was going to use a Superman for this, but then I decided to go with this old Baja breaker because it fits what I'm going to build out of it a little better. There it goes. There we go. It's not bad. Alright. Go ahead and toss these in the zippy greaser as always. Get them cleaned up, and then we'll do the guzzy. Base, there's not a whole lot to do. We're going to shiny it up a little bit, and we are going to change the wheels off it. I have some wheels I want to put on this. So we'll cut those off here in a minute. This part, we're going to go drill in the drill press, and it's off to regurgitation juice. Then I'll come back and work on the base for a little bit. Back in just a moment. Some big old mutter wheels. Yeah, buddy. Don't want Santa getting stuck anywhere, do we? This is Christmas in July. Santa's got to get a break once in a while. Alright, let's go ahead and get these decals cut out and get them applied. I did these decals in two parts because I got a picture of Santa sitting here underneath an umbrella in a chair, drinking a drink. And I'm going to impose it over the top of the background.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine. Body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame. Baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like...
And boom, that's what I came up with. I don't know if this is what Santa was thinking that I would come up with. Like I said, all he told me was that it had to be a van and whatever I thought of Christmas in July meant. So, I decided Christmas in July, well, Santa deserves a vacation just like everybody else. He's going to be at the beach. So that's where he's at. Got his little surfboards on top and everything. But yeah, I like it. Came out good. Replaced the tires on it, because they had the old black walls that were pretty wore out, flopping around. So yeah, I thought these fit pretty well with it. I'm happy with it. Hopefully Santa will be too. So that's it for this one. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.